Birds. Hello, kids. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we'll visit a bird sanctuary where you will see different kinds of birds. Are you all ready? After your visit, I will be asking you questions. Upon listening to this, the kids jumped with joy.
Hooray! Yippee! So much of fun!
They left for the trip in the school bus. They all reached the bird sanctuary. Now, teacher started introducing them to birds. She said, birds are the group of animals that can fly. Some can swim, run, jump, and dive. They have wings, beaks, feathers, and tails. They have two legs with sharp claws. They lay eggs. They are found in various shapes, sizes, and colors. There are few birds that cannot fly. For example, ostrich, emu, and kiwi. Bats can fly, but it is not a bird.